Our today's topic in chapter 111 business studies is very interesting. See, risk in business. Risk is everywhere present in all over the part in daily life, everywhere there is some business risk. There is some risk. Everywhere there is risk. Maybe some natural calamities, man-made problems are there, lost by theft, lost by fire. So risk is there. So today I am going to explain you types of risk in business. This is the topic in chapter 1. So today we are going to discuss chapter 1, risk, types of risk, business risk, and then I will explain you accordingly this topic. Say business risk. What is the meaning of risk, my dear children? Risk means possibility of loss. It can be defined as the chances of loss due to certain uncertain events in the future. See, in the simple language, we can say risk means possibility of losses. Possibility of losses means chances of losses due to certain or uncertain events in the future. What is the meaning of certain or uncertain? See, natural calamity is uncertain. This corona pandemic was uncertain. Earlier we thought that is only for few days, then it is for 1 month, then lockdown extended. This is the loss. This is the possibility of loss. This is the risk for everyone. So it can be defined as the chances of loss due to certain uncertain events in future. This is known as risk. We cannot predict the future. Future is uncertain. There are various chances of risk. So business risk is of two types. Business risks are of two types. You don't know about it. Yes. Speculative risk, pure risk. See, in business, there are two types of risk, business risk and pure risk. Business risk and pure risk. BRPR. Business risk is of two types, speculative risk, SR, and pure risk, PR. So today I am going to tell you about first of all what is speculative risk, my dear children. Speculative risk means chances of gain or chances of loss. Both conditions may be possible. It involves both chances of gain or loss. If the market condition is favorable, it will result in gain. If market condition is unfavorable, it will be loss. It arises due to change in demand and supply, change in fashion, technology, taste, habits of customers. So it arises due to change. In simple words, speculative risk means doubtful risk. How you can say doubtful? Maybe chances of gain, maybe chances of loss. This arises due to the market condition, C, customers, C, customers choice, C, competitors, C. Say yes. Speculative risk involves C's. Condition of market, competitors, customers' choice, climatic conditions, may be gain, may be loss, some speculative risk is known as. It arises due to change in fashion, change in technology, change in taste, preference, habits of the customers, market conditions may be changed. That is a speculative risk. See, I am giving you one example. Nokia company, one of the famous company earlier in making cell phones. But they don't think about the market conditions, competitors, customers' choice and preference, and change in fashion and technology. They are making continuously production. They are going on. Earlier they have gained. But due to competitors, Samsung and Apple, due to customers' choice, fashion and technology, people were not ready to buy their products. They were heavy. Now the sleek body is preferable. New features are preferable. So they face the loss. That is speculative risk. Speculative risk have both the chances, gain or loss. Then pure risk. Pure risk, just opposite of speculative. In pure risk, there will be possibility or loss or no loss, no gain. See, due to corona, fire, earthquake, natural calamities, no one is getting benefit. These are the pure risk, loss or no loss. If such events take place, it may result in loss. Non-occurrence of such events results in absence of loss instead of gain. It means there is one basic difference in speculative risk and pure risk. In speculative risk, maybe chances of gain, but in pure risk, no chance of gain. It arises due to fire, theft, earthquake, strike, etc. Pandemic. See how you can say pure risk have possibility of loss, no loss, but no gain. Just I am giving you the example. A theft came in the factory. If he has taken something, there may be possibility of loss. If he has not taken something, there are no loss, possibility of no loss. But there is no gain. Do you think there is some gain? No. Due to earthquake, there is no gain. Maybe loss, maybe no loss. Nature of risk. See, I made one slide for you. Nature of business risk. It arises due to uncertainties, lack of knowledge about what is going to happen in future. Plastic, paper bags, government policies, this epidemic like corona. ये uncertainty is due to uncertainties. The main nature of business risk is it arises due to uncertainty. Future is uncertain. We don't know what will happen in future. Lack of knowledge is there, but the business risk main reason is uncertainties. It arises due to uncertainties. We don't know. Maybe someone has corona, maybe someone don't have. This is uncertainty. Then next. Risk is an essential part of every business. Essential part means every business has its own risk. No business can avoid risk. Risk can be minimized, but it cannot be eliminated. See, risk is everywhere. In business, every business has its own risk. Yes, maybe the customer's choice change. Maybe the competitors will be there. Maybe the conditions change. In fashion industry, maybe the fashion change. In electrical appliances, maybe the technology change. So there are various risks, my dear children. No one can avoid the risk. Risk is everywhere. Maybe new competitor will be there. Say Jio will always also face the competitor. Maybe a new competitor will come with the less prices. Good. So risk can be minimized by insurance, but it cannot be eliminated. It cannot be eliminated. Then next, degree of risk depends on the nature and size of business. Yes. Large scale business will have more risk than a small scale business. Large scale business will have more risk because they invested more capital, more amount they have invested, and small scale will have less risk because the capital investment is less. Same nature. Fashionable items have high degree of risk because fashion, technology is changing very fast. Our business environment is dynamic. It is changing very fast. Before few days, LED TV was in trend. Now some new one is there. Home theater is there, curving TV is there. See, if someone is going to give you black and white TV, you will refuse. Why? Because the risk depends on the nature and size of business. Nature. Electrical appliances. Daily new product is coming in the market with new features, advanced technology. See, you can see the vehicles. Why you change your cell phone? Just give me the example. Why you are not using the old outdated cell phone? Because that is fashionable items. That we always want to have advanced features product, advanced technological products. This is our nature. And large scale business will have high risk, small scale business will have less risk. That's the problem also there. Then next, profit is the reward for bearing risk. Why businessman is doing business? He just want to earn profits. No risk, no gain. Businessman is doing business just to earn profits. Why he is taking risk? To earn profits. So profit is the reward for bearing risk. An entrepreneur takes risk under the expectations of higher profits. No risk means no gains. So business strategies are always performed according to see the profit margin and then according to the risk. Both things will keep in mind by the businessman. Methods of dealing risk, causes of business risk, so today we discuss these things. See, first of all, meaning. Business risk means possibility of losses, chances of losses due to certain or uncertain events. Then business risks are of two types, speculative and pure. Speculative means there will be some chances of profits, there will be some chances of loss, risk is present. This is risk. Maybe some profits, maybe some loss. That's why risk is there. If there will be chances of both, the businessman can earn and businessman can lose. Both the chances are there, then it is termed as speculative risk. In some books, that is given impure risk. Means both the chances, possibility of profits as well as possibilities of loss. Then next, pure risk. Pure risk means no chance of profit at all. Always possibility of loss or no loss. Both the chances are there. See, in such events take place, maybe loss, maybe no loss, but there will be no possibility of gain. Okay, like earthquake. Earthquake may be the cause of huge loss, or if it will not suffer to anyone, that will be no loss. So there will be no profit. Do you think due to earthquake someone is getting benefit? No, this is pure risk. Then nature of business risk. First, it arises due to uncertainty. You know, future is uncertain, that's why business risk arises. I am giving you one example. One businessman stored the dresses, ready-made garments in a large, huge quantity because he thought that Eid is going to come, Rakhi is going to come, summer season will be there. What happened? Due to corona pandemic, totally shut down, lockdown, the business suffered huge loss. Because the future is uncertain, we cannot predict the next minute also. So that's why this is the reason of risk. And business is an essential part of every business. Risk can be minimized by insurance, by taking alertness and care, by taking preventive measures, but it cannot be eliminated. You cannot control the earthquake. You cannot control that pandemic. There is some risk always. Not by your fault, maybe some other's fault you may face that risk. Then, very good point. Degree of risk depends on the nature and size of business. Always keep in mind, fashionable items, technological appliances, vehicles have high degree of risk because they are changing day by day. The daily new features, new technology, new fashion is coming in the market. And then large scale business has high risk than small scale business. Yes, a fruit seller will have less risk because investment capital is less. And big Walmart and they all have high risk because they are doing a business on large scale. Good. Then profit is the reward for bearing risk. Profit is the reward for bearing risk. It means no risk, no gain. Always keep in mind, businessman is earning profits because he is taking some steps of risk. An entrepreneur takes risk under the expectations of higher profits. That's why he is having the risk. Then how to deal with business risk? Not to enter high risky transactions. Take precautionary measures like firefighting equipments, etc. Precautionary measures means try to minimize the risk, minimize the loss. Then insurance policy that I explain you in the auxiliaries to trade. The businessman should take insurance policy to minimize the risk factor. See, risk cannot be eliminated, but it can be minimized. Risk can be shared by the insurance companies. Okay, and take measures, accounting measures also to minimize the risk factor. Then, so children, today we discussed risk, types of risk, speculative risk, pure risk, impure risk, pure risk. Impure risk, yeah, speculative risk means, okay, there will be some chances profit, some chances of loss, but here only chances of loss or no loss. Okay, and the nature of risk. Okay, my dear children, Any doubt?